Hi guys, this is my dinner. This is my medicine for runny nose. Flow Away cold capsule, 900 milligram. So, today is a third day. So, third day of taking medicine. So, this one, I continue to use this one. I think another 3 days like that. Then this cup syrup lagundi with honey for my cough, itchy esophagus, and of course this one, my dinner. Ito lang yung dinner ko guys, at saka organic bread. This one, it's nice. It's not so sweet and it's not so salty, just organic guys. This one is my dinner, and of course this one. Yan, enough for tonight. I hope I can fully sleep nicely later. I want to be fully cured with these antibiotics and with this cough syrup, powerful cough syrup. Thank you for watching guys. That would be all. Have a blessed night to all of you. I love you all. Bye.